Hi, this is Mr. Srebnick, and this video will hopefully help you start to get organized and understand what to do with all of those things that we asked you to buy for math class. It's important to be organized, both having an organized locker so that it's easy to find what you need, and between classes you can quickly pull out the things you need and store the things that you don't. And more on the topic of this video, it's going to help you organize your class materials so that you can also find things quickly and remember to bring everything that you need to bring to math class. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a journal for class notes and for journal assignments, which will be given you in class and at home. You'll need to have some tools, a pencil, an eraser, a TI-84 calculator. Any of the models will be fine. We also need a pen, not black, a ruler, and a Chromebook, which the school will be giving you. You'll also need to have a binder or pocket portfolio with at least 4 tabs, which you can use for classwork, homework, tests, cows, and graded work, and blank paper, lined paper, and graph paper. It can be difficult to find graph paper that is 3-hole punched. It is much easier to find PDF files that you can print onto regular paper and use for graph paper. I have some of those and I will post them online. Now, each day I'm going to ask you to bring a number of things to class. The easiest way to organize is to put most of the small things into a little Ziploc bag or a zipper pouch like the one that you see. Inside that you should have the pencil and eraser. You should have some spare lead for mechanical pencils. You should have a pen, not black. And the reason that I ask for a pen that's not black is because we sometimes correct work in class, and black pens look almost exactly like pencil. So I'd want you to use a pen that's either red or blue or orange or just about any color except black. It's a good idea to have a ruler. A 6-inch ruler is fine because that'll fit in the zipper pouch. You can also get a 12-inch ruler that you can put into your binder. You'll need a calculator, and you should bring the school's Chromebook with you to every single class. And finally, bring the binder or portfolio with you to class every day. Sometimes we'll be taking things out of them that we've previously handed out, and other times I'll be asking you to file things away so that you can keep them for later. You'll also need your journal every single day. So this page gives you the list of things that you should bring to class every day. Now, we're going to be putting a lot of things into binders, and now I'd just like to explain to you when you take them out. After the chapter test for a particular chapter, any worksheets, homework, tests, and quizzes you can remove from your binder and file them either at home or in your locker. You don't need to bring them to class every day, but it's a good idea to keep them around for a couple of reasons. First, if there's any dispute about whether you've done a homework assignment, you'll have a copy of the homework. Also, perhaps in the middle of the year, but definitely at the end of the year, you'll be having a comprehensive exam, which means an exam on everything that we've studied so far. And going back to some of the worksheets and exercises might help you study, and if nothing else, it'll give you a source of practice problems. I ask, please, that you do not bring food, gum, any snacks to class. Please do all of your eating during free periods, during your recess, during lunch, or during X periods. Please don't bring anything to drink other than water. You're welcome to bring water bottles, but please don't bring coffee or soda or tea or anything else like that. We don't allow fidgets in the classroom, and I would prefer that you not bring backpacks to class. If you feel that you need one, please have a discussion with me and we'll work something out. I thank you and I hope that was helpful. Please be sure to check out the video on how to use your journal and how to set up papers both that you keep and that you hand in. Thank you.